Hello guys, it's my first travel video to SAPA, Vietnam. The sounds are the lullaby to our ears. It's best to travel in Christmas. Hello guys. We arrived at Hanoi airport, Mumbai airport. Then we're having the big bowl, our favorite super noodle. We don't know whether SAPA have it or not because it's a hilly area. So let's have it. We'll go to the railway stations, which is around 20 kilometers, so it's around 1.5 hour ride. But Vietnam's traffic is really bad, so we will go early. Now we are at the railway stations. For Supply Express train, you can easily collect the tickets in front of the railway station. So there's one candy shop and with a small signboard. Please look out for the person with the one man with a little signboard of a Supply Express train. I took a long time to figure it out. Highway. A lot of train videos and review, but in the end we took Supply Express train because it's from Kilop and it's saved because internationally used by a number of people, so it could be widely used and more accessible, we thought. So we took Supply Express. It was quite good. Christmas Day. What birthday weถ่าย VIP ฮัลโหล Bobby
没有的，他们丢了。
1 2 3 go 你了嘛 He didn't press the button. I need to redo. I really hate you. Okay, the room is quite spacious for 2, but for 4 will be very cramped. I mean, you can't even sit up. You can see the height here, there. You can't even sit up if there are 4 people in that room. Okay, you can put all the luggage underneath the bed. So yeah, and I was telling about the cleanliness of the room. It's quite clean and quite good order. So the metrics all are, hopefully it's not itchy. Yeah, and we do have snacks over here, some Oreo, some wet tissue and 2 water bottle, 2 Coca-Cola and some small snacks. I think it's cookies. And the plug is 2 pin. Just now I went to toilet, it's quite, and they provide the shoe, the slippers for going around. Yeah, I will show you around. The toilet is quite clean, to my surprise. We watched around 4 or 5 videos about toilet and then we to and fro we keep choosing the train operator. And the subway is quite international, that they keep the standard. See, this Christmas vibe. I will go. Bye bye. You can lie down. You can repeat. I go capture you, but you stop filming for me. So let's go. So, oh, okay. It's busy, quite clean and quite. There's 7 rooms of them, and so far. It is moving now. It's 10 and train is get to move. Thì lại vào một cho lên vào cả nhà mà quan đọc vậy thì bắt là gì nữa là mà phát hả à chiang tapi ini paling kenapa tapi ini nyata anh lý gì hả? Sao nè chả? တကယ်လေးနားကြီးပါတယ်တညာလုံးအိတ်လို့မရပါဘူး whole night we couldn't sleep because of the zzz song not because of moving the train moving there is the metal sound clicking zzz. It's really really tough so far it was speed up and you were here don't know that yet
These engine should be like that. No, same like Singapore mattress.
အာရိုးမြန်မာပြည်လို့တက်သားခုံနေရှိတယ်အဲ့တွေ့ဦးလာလေတူတူအဲ့ဒီရကန်နော်ဟုတ်ကောဘောကန်နေကြတော့တက်မိုင်Okay. You can easily get the Grab around 20 bucks to the SAPA town.